Hope this is gonna work. All right, today's been a windy day, so did some kiting, and now we're gonna set up for a flight. Anthony's already up in the air. Wind appears to be dying down a little bit. What's up? So this will be my very first windy launch. All of my launches have been either no wind or very insignificant wind. So this should be interesting. Okay, yeah, like trying to set up my wings so it doesn't blow. Okay, or not. Okay, let's check the wind again. We got good wind. All right, here we go. Everything looks good. I don't feel like getting in his wig today. There it is. It's going to be a bit turbulent. It's been super windy down there. Doing a lot of kiting, but man, it's been gusty and crazy. Wind is pretty stiff out of the northeast. Yeah, I'm going to have some serious ground speed here. All right, so the point of this flight is that I wanted to do a review on this new audio that I've been trying. MicroAvionics got this sent to me so I could give it a shot. I've been trying for a long time to get audio set up in my Paramotor, and I've had a real hard time with it. Finally got it worked out on my ATV and the helmet there, but this whole thing with splicing wires and clipping and snipping here just isn't my thing. So had a hard time figuring out how to get audio to work. You know, I've watched all the videos about setting up your helmet and that kind of thing, but I just haven't had any luck getting it to work for myself. Mark Honeycutt uses this one too, so obviously must be good, right? Had fairly good luck with it. The last video I did where Anthony and I flew out to that ridgeline right there, I hope I'm pointing at it, that's where our Paracache is, right out there in southern New Mexico. I used it on the way out there. I think I had it set up a little bit wrong. There's some switches on the inside of the ear cup that you can go on or off to change up some sound quality a little bit here and there. And I think that I had it a little bit off. So I think that the last time I made that video, it just wasn't working quite as well. So hopefully I got that figured out. I do have feedback, and it appears that it is working a little bit better, but time will tell when I get it on the computer, right? Maybe I'll head over towards the freeway. Actually, I'm going to go over and say hi to Leandra. Down there making some jalapeno jelly or something crazy. Man, I walked into their house and it was just like breathing pepper spray. Not that I've ever been pepper sprayed, so I suppose I don't really know what that feels like. But it smelled good. I'm kind of a sissy pants when it comes to hot food, so I don't think that I'm going to be eating too much of it. I'm not seeing anybody. They must be all inside. So if this sounds good, y'all like what you're hearing here, I'd say head on over to the website and check it out. I'll put all the links below. I'm going to get it at a little bit of a discount, and anybody who uses my last name as a coupon code Johnson will also get $25 off their purchase as well. Mark Honeycutt has plenty, right? He doesn't need any more. Gotta give the noobs a chance, right? Oh, look at that. I think Leandra's here. That's why they weren't outside. There they are. Let's see what this wind feels like here. Oh, there goes Anthony. Touch and go. Oh shoot. I totally forgot to take that battery pack out of my seat. I bet it fell out. Oh no. Alright, well, it's still there. Let's see if I can zip it up so it doesn't fall out. I think what I might do is head back in, do a landing, make sure I can get myself on the ground. Didn't work. Let's see. Oh, there's Billy. Let's go say hi to Billy. All right, come at me, boy. Woo! All right, let's give this another try. I'm gonna get on the ground. There we go. All right, so we'll reset and we'll go at it again. We're on. Lights are on. Wings set back up. Let's see if I can do this again. Oh, I rolled around in the grass and now I feel like I have stickers in my back. Okay. I think we're all set. There we go. There's Anthony. Landing. Okay. Very first touch and go in the books. Gotta love it. It's like that's what Anthony's down there doing too. Touch and goes. Oh yeah, got some stickers in my back. My wing was blown away. I had to dive for it. And now I'm paying the price with some goat heads in my unders. Man, look at that. I'm crabbing like crazy. Man, this wind is stiff. Look at that, barely moving at all. All right, I'm gonna just take it up that road. Oh boy! Oh! Oh man, that was definitely not the prettiest way to do it, but we made it down, barely. Well, folks, I think that's a wrap. Hope you all enjoyed the flight. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're looking for audio, go check out the website. I'll link all that stuff below. Until next time, peace.
Whose mom? Your mom? It's still rolling.
Oh, hell yeah!
Hell yeah! This is all going in my vlog. I did review it.
Yeah, Dad?
Hey, come say something to the camera. I love you.
Oh, wait. What was that? Oh, God damn it.
This guy only acts like he knows what he's doing because he has a YouTube channel, but seriously, you should see him when he's...
Hey, for all of you out there, a lot of you have been watching Kyle's YouTube videos and aren't subscribed.
Yeah.
So make sure you hit that subscribe button on Kyle K.R. Johnson.
Yeah. Okay, I'm done.